Hey, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a little bit of a throwback video. This is a Porsche that came to us a couple years ago, actually, back at the old shop. We did a full exhaust on. We did do some upgrades to it, so I just thought I'd showcase the work that we have done and some of the updates that we've done to it and just kind of show the build because I think it's a really neat car. I don't know too much about these, but I do know that this one in particular is pretty sweet. Again, I really don't know anything about these cars, so we're just kind of real brief showcasing high performance. But let's check out the exhaust. Yeah, so we did a full titanium exhaust on this a couple years ago. I do believe that they do some racing with this, so they put some good hard miles on it. Everything's holding up pretty good. We did find one crack in the exhaust, so we decided to upgrade to some slip joint connectors. These actually act like a flex bellow. Titanium actually doesn't have a good flex bellow, so we'll pretty much use these as the flex. We use a slip joint. I put two in here, one pretty close to the downpipe. If you can put one on the downpipe, the closer to the turbo the better, and then kind of one towards the end. But again, everything's holding up really good. There's actually getting a lot of nice color. You can see a lot of blues and purples from the downpipe. And coming down here, you know, obviously using some pie cuts to snake around some stuff. All 3-inch and just with like a little 3.5-inch tip at the end. Reusing a lot of the factory hangers. They work really good, so we just kind of kept most of them as we did. We also did some stainless work to this in the past as well. We've changed this entire cross tube over and made this wastegate a little bit better. You can tell we did a better transition here. It's nice to see this car back and to see everything's holding up really well, and just to kind of be able to look at some of the previous work and compare it. Everything, you know, everything is still up to the same standard. And like I said, we just wanted to give it a little bit of upgrade because we did find a little bit of a failure, but for the time being, I think held up pretty good. You can see this car's got a lot of nice suspension on it, so they definitely use it. I think that about wraps it up. We'll go ahead and start it up so you guys can hear it. Yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next time.